Hi, my name is Victoriana and I'm a visual communication designer. I design logos, corporate identities, websites, and I do illustration. In this Skillshare class, I'd like to show you how to customize the default 2019 theme and transform it from this to this. This process is valid for transforming and customizing other WordPress themes, so I hope you're going to find inspiration and start work on some customizations. We are going to take a look at the template files and how they work together to build a WordPress theme, and we are going to make some changes to them. We are going to change the header, the footer, customize the logo, the menu, create content, embed Google Maps, install some plugins. So I assume that you already have installed WordPress theme and WordPress and taken a look at the settings, and that you have some experience with CSS and HTML. If you have any questions, reach out to me. You're going to find the resource files and exercises attached to some of the lessons. And now let's start.